to my YouTube channel. I don't know if I'll post this or not, but I'm here in Pitlochry, which is the cutest village in Scotland. It welcomed us with rain. Just look at the view behind me. It's so peaceful and beautiful. So cute, Kara. Oh my god, I'm in so awe and I love it. It is so beautiful. We just came for a walk. అసలు చాలా అంటే చాలా బాగుంది. After walking through the streets of Pitlochry, we have come to Loch Fascally. It is so amazing, and I'm glad that we have walked so much, and I can just see this beautiful view, and you can also see it. This is my first vlog I shot. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, or I don't know I'll post it or not, but if you see this, that means I posted it, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share and subscribe.